Namaste children, this is Susan Bridget, teacher of English, Dalmia Vidyamandar, Dalmiapuram. Today we are going to see grade 6 English poem number 2, The Kite. See children, we all love to see flying kites, but never notice how it flies. If we notice also, it won't be that much keen. But here the poet is just persuading the readers to fly one and also to notice its beautiful moves. Shall we start? Yes children. See here how bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. See, it looks bright. The kite looks bright on a clear sky when it flies for the first time. Here the blue is color we know, but here in this poem we can take it as clear sky without clouds. With a dive and a dip, the meaning is to go into water with a force and softness together. So the poet is telling the kite moves with softness and force together. It snaps its tail. It snaps its tail, snaps, cracking sound. That cracking sound will be audible, we know. So when we fly kite, it will be audible. Then soars like a ship with only a sail, as over tides of wind it rides. Then soars like a ship, soars, fly high. Like a ship, it used to go. Okay, soars like a ship with only a sail, as over tides. Like a ship, it also moves. See here, tides, rising and falling waves. And here, like a ship, it is also going up and down. Of wind, it rides. Like the wind takes the kite, it is also going. Climb to the crest mountain top. So here we can take it as the how it reaches. Okay, the height it reaches. Of a gust and pulse. Gust is sudden strong rush of wind. So when the sudden strong wind comes, it used to reach the height, goes top, and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. When the wind falls, when the wind loses its power, it seems to take rest, it's coming down. When string goes slack, slack is loose. When the string which you are holding goes slack, okay, so when the string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows. You'll be waiting for the new wind to blow, and once again, and its wings fill with the wind, and up it goes. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new, but a rajata is torn out, it's damaged. You'll never see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. So now if you see when it gets stuck on the tree, it will be totally damaged. So the bright new kite turned into the damaged one. So how it traveled. This poem is Kite, The Kite, written by Harry Benn. So one more thing children, just see here, I have written simile. Then soars like a ship. Here the comparison is made. The kite is compared to the ship. If you see the comparison like that and using the word like in poems, this poetic device is called simile. Okay, so like is used, the poet is comparing the kite to the ship. This is the line simile. Simile, we can see simile in this. Okay, so apart from that, we have the rhyming words children. Rhyming words: dip, ship. Can you see? Tail, sail. Tides, rides. Crest, rest. Pulls, falls. Clear? Slack, black. Blows, goes. Till, fill, until, fill. Okay, so these are all few rhyming words. Thank you, children.